Hello, welcome to my Langster series, episode 13, and in this tutorial we will continue to learn about edit and delete. In the previous tutorial, the listing is already finished, and we only need to do edit and delete right here. Okay, let's do this. And we need to add a new button, edit, and delete button, and then the delete button should go to the function, click, and go to the function. This function must be this delete post, and the parameter passed to here is post.id. Okay, we need to write a function right here, id, and just elect it. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, CSS button in line 52 is what happened? Okay, because of T. Okay, yes, delete. Okay, right here. Okay, now we need to delete this. So just post API neat post I think remove post is better, and the data the need is id is this id, and then add then function, and the results come from this. Okay, after can this results, we need to get it as again. Okay, let's check it out. Remove post we need to write. Yes, of course, we can write in this function. In the function of the post, we will add a new route remove post, and this go to this is the post route, go to the post controller dot remove post, of course, and then the post controller I need to add a new function called remove post. Is something like a class was set and next, and then the delete is some strange in MongoDB. We need to find the item first. This is what I'm prepared. Okay, what about this? Yes, of course, right here. We need to find ID and remove. We can use this method. This method is awesome, and we can find ID with this request ID, and then we just return the response. Okay, let's check it out. We need to delete post.find ID and remove, and the ID is request dot is parent because it is that kind of get method, but in right here we have post methods. That's why we need to get with request.body, and then request ID. Okay, and then what we need to do, get error and post. Okay, the next step is right here, and then if error we can process.send error and s, something like this. rest.send. This is the kind of delete post, and the message is something like deleted. Okay, but I am wrong. I think I'm wrong. It's a function. Yes, because I left this. Okay, I think it's done. Okay, let's restart our server. Our server restarting is little long. Whatever, we can check the code. Okay, fine, and like this. I think it should be fine. Delete. This .get data is not a function. Why not? I think get data. Okay, that's fine. Get this. Okay, whatever. Get this. Okay. Huh? Okay, the previous one is deleted. Now delete also. Okay, that's all. Now we have delete is finished, and try to make a new post. Whatever. Oh, okay. After add the post, we need to redirect to the post page. So let's edit our code in create post. After save, we need to redirect to the this history. I think history redirect. Yes, history. Oh, this prof the history to push, something like this. Okay, this prof history to push to I think post or routes, of course. Post. We create post, and then we need to add new post. This is JavaScript post, and did what post is? Yes, it's because of this is the test post. Now it might be okay. Of course, the data that we add appear right here. Okay, delete it. Okay, now delete is finished. We only need to add it. Okay, let's continue to add it. Edit is something like exactly same like the create. Okay, we need to add it in post.js, and this might be added, and this is a kind of should be the link to the edit page. Okay, we can get copy from link. Where is the link? Yes, of course, here is the link. And the link get from react router to okay, whatever, and then we can change like this. This must be the link, and this is kind of edit. It's okay. We can add this button right here. The edit should go to the link. What is this link is post edit, and then okay, post edit is better, and then we need to pass ID right here. In real link, how to pass ID. Let's check how to pass ID. Link. Oh, whatever. Edit. This is master course. This is the master course React. We can add it. Yes, we can write like this because so it's go to the edit post, maybe edit post on post edit is equal edit post, and this pass this parameter, this dot props.
Why?
Oh, me is just post the ID. Okay, that's all we need, and this is not enough link class. And then okay, the only thing we need to do is to create an edit post route in right here. Oh, sorry, edit post. I think to get the parameters like this. Wait, let's check in my preparation codes, and then let's check the views, and then let's check the app dot not view, not really view, is the app.js. I think fine with this. Yes, of course. This is the kind of post passing through to the routes. Okay, and this should be like this. Yes, of course. And then we can the component must be the added post, and we need to add an added post component right here. Added post. Sorry, added post. So of course added post, and it's all added post. We need to write and view call edit post.js. It's exactly same like the create, and then this should be changed. Okay, edit post. Edit post. Okay, what do we now? We need to do. Okay. Let's check this fast, okay. And then we can post. If we added, okay, reach to the added base. Now change to the post added. And the first thing we need to do is to get the data from the ID. We get the data from the ID. Tiny is crazy, and this state need to fail. And okay, the first thing we need to do is right here. Let me do it right here. Post detail API. Post detail API is enough. Let's check this. This is enough or not. Post. Yes, maybe. Post, get post, text on. Well, of course, we can use this API get post. Look at this route is post ID. Okay, so we need to pass through the API to post. Post ID is come from the routes. Let's check this code. How to can from the routes the parameters. Okay, let's check the view and added post. That's what I prepared before I make recording. I always prepare because I don't want to make mistake while recording. Please understand this. Okay, to get the routes, I think location. Straight up props, and we get fast data. Yes, of course, this ID is this.prop.mesh.parent.id. We can get like this from the other page, the data from the other page, and then we can get this.props.mesh.parent.id. It's the same thing later now that we can do, and we must do in this way. Whatever, let's check the console, and I think right. Okay, right. Okay, and then we need to do just get a post. Whatever you get, this ID should go to the state. This the set state. ID go to this. Something like this, and then we can get this from this stage.id. Okay, let's check. This is stage. I think creating not really neat. Just use like this. Let's comment out fast. Let's check the results first. Okay. What is the 10 from the network? Post something like the ID is not get enough. Why not? This is a state ID. Yes, of course. What happened? Like this. Yes, of course, right here. Okay. I don't think that comes out. And I think all should be right. Text and all the all comes out. The only thing we need to do is to select the data already. Text is something. It's only ID. Only ID and title. ID and title. Okay. That's what we can do. ID and title. And maybe whatever. And then we need to set stage. We need to set stage to the ID. ID is already used, that's why we need to see the app title. Description. Data. Description is just description, I think. Oh. Surely. Title. And just set this first. Okay. Okay, I think we need to add to this stage to the value. The value is okay. This dot stage dot title, and then the next one is the state description. State. Description. Okay. Let's check. Okay, the value is already selected, and then we need to do also the text. The text might be a little hard, but check it out. Whatever. Title, description, and the text. Text should be this the prop.text. No rest.data.text. And then we need to add data to this. let's check through how I did. Okay, this and the text is creative slash okay, creative slash options, and the value is selected options. What is selected options? Select option text. Okay, I think it's text on map. We need to do like this. Yes, value and leaving. Yeah, we need to separate like the value and leaving. We can't do it anything. Okay, so that's why we do a constant text, and then constant text is something like the map function return from the map function. Where's the data text map function and the object return I index. I think it's like this. Okay, and then we need to return the array. Return the array is what should be value and leaving. Value should be what should be value is object.id. Of course, value is object.id, and then leaving is leaving must be object. I think title. Yes, of course. Text. Let's console the log first. Is the great habit in JavaScript. And then this text. Go to the text. Okay. Let's check what we. Why the text not comes out. Okay, of course, right here. Value and leaving. I think this should be fine. So the selected option should be. Need to add another state. Selected option. Selected option is. Okay, selected option. We need to add state. Not really neat. We can do like this state dot text in this options. Selected options. Wait, how can we do selected option to select the creative as default? To select how we select, we can do like this. The value is the main. This, and then we can add this state dot text. I think this should be fine. Okay, I suppose let options is not fine. Just remove this. I think it should be fine. And then we can get okay. The tag is already selected. We need to add a new stack, and add it like this. Okay, before we add it, we need to check this. I think we have written for only post. Save and text is already right here. Of course, we have written for only post. So what we need to do first, there's a little need to fix. Before we fix, I think this ID also needs in submit post data is really neat. ID is the important in the edit. That's why we need. Then just like this, okay. What we need to do in the server side. The server side needs check ID. Okay, we can do like this. If requires ID, and then we need to do another way. As we need to do like this. Post returns and save hooks, and then if ID, the post must be post file ID. I think the file get post equal with the get post. Yes, of course. Post must be the file ID, and then it should be executes, something like executes, then equal whatever, and then we need to change in here post file ID, and post ID is request.id. Okay, we need to do post ID must be request.id, and then we can do execute like this. Post must be like this, and then okay, check it out. The return result is what should be the return result is. Oh wait, post. This must be the need to make common. Of course, we need to make common. So that's why I need to last return result, and then this return result should be right here. We need to do constant. Okay. Just return result this, and I hope it should be work. But the best practice is to check request. Save both text. What about in save both text and a request dot text dot file and title save text dot insert many. Okay, all alright. Save both is a set request. Okay, all alright. Nothing need to do. How the best coding. Just kidding. Okay. Oh, what is this? Is the post controller 133. Why not is NC? Of course, this is NC. What is NC? Wait. Maybe this not NC. Okay. Oh, we can do like this. Just wait. And then this the post and post. File ID request.id. Return result is equal stack. Okay, I think it should be fine. I think it should be right. Whatever. One. Okay, let's add another and create another. Okay, whatever. Submit. Okay, it's added that. And check this. Okay, alright. This is the post, edit and delete. I finished. Okay, all edit, delete, and create and listing all finished. The CID is completely finished. Okay, in the next video tutorial, I will show in the home page. In the home page, all the posts that's saved in the database need to come out here, and I also add the most interesting things. This is infinite looping, infinite scroll like this. Infinite scroll is something like pagination, and then I will also add filter, and it might be really interesting tutorial in the next video. Okay, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.